What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video, and today is extremely special because I'm giving away the Rotas. You guys have been asking a lot on social media what my plan was for these wheels, and I want them to give them back to you guys. So I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, and it's gonna be 3 weeks. I'll put the date that it's gonna be done in the description. So it'll be a 3-week long giveaway. All you have to do is like this video, comment that you're actually entering the giveaway. That's very important. Comment on this video that you're entering the giveaway and that you want these wheels, and also make sure you're subscribed to us. So if you want these wheels, make sure you do those 3 things, and in 3 weeks I'll announce the winner. I'll be randomly picking a comment out of this video right here, and that's pretty much it. I want to get to more about these wheels just so you know what you're getting back at the garage, so I'll get to that now. Today, I am giving away these wheels, which I'm so excited to do because that means that one of you guys is going to get these wheels for absolutely free. I did get new wheels recently, so I wanted to do something special with these and I wasn't quite sure, and then I thought I should just give them away. These wheels have been a really big part of this car and just transforming it. They were one of the biggest mods that I got at the time. Now I want somebody else to have the same chance who, you know, maybe has stock wheels or just wants to switch up their wheel setup. Okay, so like I said, one of my favorite mods that I've done to the WRX, these are of course the Rota grids. They're actually in really good condition. The only thing that you can immediately see as far as damage is in here in the where the lug nuts were seated. It did wear off a lot of the finish on these. So that's not a huge deal because when the lug nuts are on, you can't see any of that. But just the way the lug nuts I was using and the way that these are shaped in here, when you do tighten the lug nuts down, they tend to grind on the finish of the inside of the hole. There are a couple spots where the lug nuts went in, and when I was tightening down, I did end up scratching just a little bit on the edge, but again, when the lug nuts are in, you can't really see that. And I think I did see, oh yeah, there is one tiny scratch right here. I don't know if you guys can pick that up. That did unfortunately go through. I don't even remember what that's from. But you could probably just get some black correction paint and just cover that up so you can't even see that. Other than that, there's absolutely no curb rash on any of these wheels. I'm really happy with the way these stayed over the past 2 years and how good they actually look. So the specs on these wheels are 18 by 9.5 and the offset is 38 millimeters or plus 38 millimeters. And obviously it's a 5 by 114.3, so it's perfect for the WRX. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little announcement video. So anyways, this should be pretty interesting. I'm pretty excited to see how this all turns out and to get one of you guys these wheels so that somebody can enjoy these wheels as much as I did. All right, so as always, we're never finished and we will catch you guys in the next one.